Hello there, global explorers. Welcome to Travel Partner, your guide to the world, one journey at a time. We're here to make your solo traveling experiences as seamless and exciting as possible. Our mission? To equip you with the best tools, tips, and tricks to navigate your adventures around the globe. Today, we're bringing to you a special treat: 15 insider tips and tricks for solo travelers. From mastering the art of packing light to navigating local customs, we've got you covered. We'll be your virtual companion, helping you to travel smarter, safer, and with more confidence. So whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first solo trip, our tips are going to make your journey a whole lot easier. But before we dive in, do hit that subscribe button to join us on this journey. Tip number 1, do your research. Before embarking on your solo adventure, it's crucial to arm yourself with knowledge about your destination. Learn about the local customs and traditions so you can blend in and respect the culture. Investigate the safety measures you need to take, because being prepared is your best defense. Figure out the must-see spots, the local delicacies you should try, and the common phrases you might need. Knowledge is indeed power, especially when you're traveling solo. Tip number 2, pack light. The freedom of solo travel comes with the responsibility of managing your belongings. Packing light can make your journey smoother. Think about it. Less baggage means easier mobility, less time spent on packing and unpacking, and fewer items to worry about losing. Try to stick to the essentials. Use travel-sized toiletries, choose versatile clothing options, and roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing for solo travel. Tip number 3, stay connected. When you're out there charting your own path in the world, one of the most crucial things to remember is to have a reliable mode of communication. It's not just about sharing your adventures on social media or checking in with loved ones. It's also about having the means to reach out for help, get directions, or even make last-minute changes to your itinerary. In essence, staying connected can be a lifesaver when you're exploring the world on your own. Tip number 4, learn some local language. Imagine this. You're in a bustling market or a quiet cafe, and you dazzle the locals with a greeting or a thank you in their tongue. It's not just about impressing, it's about connecting, showing respect, and immersing yourself in the culture. Knowing even the basics can break down barriers, lead to new friendships, and make you feel more at home. Don't be shy, give it a try. A few words can go a long way in making your solo travel experience more enriching. Tip number 5, keep your valuables safe. A solo journey can be thrilling, but it's essential to safeguard your treasures. Be smart about where you stash your cash. Consider using a money belt or a hidden pouch, and remember, don't flash your valuables in public places. It's also a good idea to leave your precious jewelry at home. After all, the best memories from your travels are the ones in your heart, not on your wrist. Safety first, especially when it comes to your valuables. Tip number 6, make copies of important documents. Ever had that heart-stopping moment when you can't find your passport? Well, fear not, because there's an easy fix. Make copies. Whether it's your passport, visa, or other key documents, having a backup can be a lifesaver. Store them separately from the originals and consider keeping a digital copy too. It's a small task that can save you big headaches down the line. Better safe than sorry when it comes to documentation while traveling solo. And now, let's quickly go through the rest of the tips. First up, trust your intuition. It's your internal GPS system. Never underestimate it. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Trust your gut, it's often right. Next, embrace the local cuisine. Trying local food is a key part of the travel experience. It gives you a taste of the culture, quite literally, and opens up a world of flavors you never knew existed. Moving on to transportation. Using public transport is not just cost-effective, but it also gives you a chance to experience the city as locals do. Plus, it's an eco-friendly choice. So hop on that bus, tram, or metro and see where it takes you. Now let's talk about people. Traveling solo doesn't mean you're alone. Meet new people, immerse yourself in diverse cultures, and make memories with fellow travelers. You never know, they could turn into lifelong friendships. And of course, don't forget to document your journey. Take lots of pictures. They're the best souvenirs. They're free, don't take up space in your luggage, and will help you relive your travels for years to come. On a more serious note, always keep emergency numbers handy. Knowing the local emergency numbers can be a lifesaver in a crisis. It's better to have them and not need them than need them and not have them. Next, respect the local culture. Every place has its own customs and traditions. Being respectful of these not only makes your travels more enriching, but it also leaves a positive impression of you as a traveler. Remember, flexibility is key. Plans can change, flights can get delayed, weather can be unpredictable. Being flexible and going with the flow can save you a lot of stress. And finally, the most important tip of all, enjoy the journey. Traveling solo is a unique experience. It's a chance to discover new places, learn new things, and most importantly, discover yourself. So take in every moment, every sight, every flavor, every emotion. And there you have it, 15 tips for solo travelers to make their journey safe and enjoyable. Let's quickly recap the tips we've discussed today. First and foremost, don't skip on your research. Knowing about the place you're about to explore can save you from a lot of unexpected surprises. Second, remember that packing light is the way to go. You don't want to be lugging around a giant suitcase when you're trying to navigate a new city. Third, staying connected is key. Whether it's a portable Wi-Fi device or a local SIM card, make sure you have a way to reach out if you need to. Fourth, learning some local language can make your journey a lot smoother. Even a few basic phrases can go a long way in breaking the ice with locals. Fifth, keep your valuables safe. This might seem obvious, but it's easy to let your guard down when you're on vacation. Sixth, make copies of all your important documents. You never know when you might lose something, and having a backup can save you a lot of stress. And finally, in our quick fire round, we covered tips 7 to 15. These included advice on everything from eating local cuisine, to booking accommodations in advance, to being open to making new friends. Remember, solo travel isn't just about seeing new places. It's about personal growth, challenging yourself, and stepping out of your comfort zone. So whether you're planning on backpacking across Europe, exploring the beaches of Bali, or trekking through the Amazon, these tips are designed to help you make the most of your solo adventure. Solo travel can be a truly enriching experience. It's a chance to discover not just new cultures and landscapes, but also to learn more about yourself. So, take these tips to heart and embark on your journey with confidence and excitement. After all, the world is a big place and there's so much to see and do. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more travel tips. Safe travels, solo explorers.